Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny M step by step. Tap the map to choose activities and follow mission markers to objectives. Use light and heavy attacks to chain combos and dodge to avoid damage. Equip appropriate gear for your level to improve stats and elemental resistances. Join a fire team for harder content and use consumables before boss fights to gain advantages. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny M step by step. Engage enemies by mixing light and heavy attacks, and shift positions with dodges to avoid incoming fire. Use your class ability strategically for healing or burst damage when needed. Throw grenades into clustered enemies, and finish with a super ability during boss windows for maximum impact. Keep moving to reduce damage taken and improve survivability in higher-level activities. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny M step by step. Quick pause. If you are enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride and a laugh while you load into matches. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny M step by step. Prioritize quests and activities that yield gear upgrades and complete milestones for seasonal rewards. Invest upgrade resources into a small set of trusted weapons and armor to create a reliable loadout. Balance light level increases with learning mechanics for raids and dungeons. Use vendors and vendors' weekly offerings to fill gaps in your collection and save resources for meaningful upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.